I'm on that good cushion alcohol. I got some damn bitches I can call. I don't know what I would do without y'all. I'm a ball till the day I fall.
Yeah, long as my bitches love me. My bitches love me. My bitches love me.
Yeah.
I could give a fuck by no hate as long as my bitches love me. Don't stop here, nigga. When I was young, I had dreams of getting richer. Then my homie Breeze set me down, schooled me to the picture. I was with some wild niggas. Put me on the. You gotta know your lane, homie. All you got your name, and your words will never break it. For this life, you pay a price. You get a chance, you gotta take it. Cause most niggas never make it. They stranded where I'm from. Ain't no conversation, all they understand is get a gun. I was riding in my Bonneville, hoping I could make it out. Selling pieces, smoking weed, avoiding police right up the street. Way back in the day before I had all of these haters.